PADL, PyTorch Abstractions for Deep Learning. Data scientists work in myriad ways, switching between interactive dev and static production environments, coupling code for pre-processing, forward passes, post-processing and loss functions, juggling configs, code and teams. This can all get rather taxing. What if we had a framework to unify these various working modes? Cue PADL. PADL is a model builder for PyTorch reflecting an intuitive mental model, functional for model macrostructure and procedural for component elements. The key abstraction transform subsumes all elements of a PyTorch model workflow. Let's look at how it works. Writing transform classes is super easy using a simple decorator. Anything which is callable can become a transform, and of course, PyTorch layers are first-class citizens. Writing compound transforms is possible using a functional API. The API uses operator overloading to express primitives. Pre-processing, data loading, forward passes, losses, and post-processing naturally fall into the same framework. This creates a satisfying correspondence between the workflow's topology and the layout of the code. Transforms may be applied to single data points or to batches of data without extra boilerplate. PADL includes its own serializer, which focuses on transparency, simplicity, and reproducibility. Saving extracts only code elements which led to the transform instance and outputs a beautifully formatted minimal Python module, as well as weight and data artifacts. Let's have a look at this in practice. We're going to write this workflow with PADL. First, let's import some data and functions, and define several transforms using the transform decorator. Data artifacts are wrapped with value. We get nice output to view the transforms. Now let's build the pre-processing and the forward pass using the PyTorch model. Finally, the targets of our learning. Putting this all together, the training model includes pre-processing, forward pass and loss. Let's check an output. Good. Let's do a few training iterations. And save the model. We have data artifacts, weights, versions, and nicely formatted code. PADL's functional API declutters your code, minimizing boilerplate. It simplifies configuration, unifies the entire model workflow, and allows a smooth transition from an interactive mode to deployment.